guys got IDs on you?
Nope.
Or what? Yep, I need both IDs. Because you guys are trespassing. You guys will go to jail right now if you don't identify yourself.
All right, folks, welcome back. We got a quick video for you. This one comes to you from NM Transparency. I don't think I've ever seen a cop go hands-on this quick. All right, folks, let's get right to it.
How's it going?
You know it's private property, right?
How's it private property?
Well, there's a gate right there.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys got IDs on you?
Nope.
Or what? Yep, I need both IDs. Because you guys are trespassing. You guys will go to jail right now if you don't identify yourself.
I'm not sure if that's how it works.
There would have to be a sign there.
There doesn't have to be a sign.
There has to be a
No,
sign.
there doesn't. Okay, you guys
The
arguing?
gate's open though.
Are you guys
It's
failing to identify?
It's public property.
Are you
We
guys failing
haven't.
to
What
identify?
crime
On
have
the other
what
side
crime have we
Okay.
committed though?
Trespassing.
How? Can you explain how we're trespassing?
Because there's a gate right there. Any reasonable person would know that that's somebody else's property that you can't go in there.
The gate's open though.
Doesn't have to-
It's on
doesn't have to be
public
closed.
property.
Okay, are you guys failing to identify?
The gate is on
Okay,
public property.
turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
You're under arrest.
You guys already know that we like to help the new channels grow, so definitely go subscribe. I'm gonna drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you guys can't find it there, just type in NM Transparency, all one word, in your YouTube search and you guys will find them. Let them know I sent you. And also, let's let these police officers know that they can't be doing this to the people. There was no trespassing signs, and this is the kind of stuff that happens when cops are given a gun and a badge and they're sent out to enforce feelings. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Oh no, that's what a silent J, big dog.
What, big dog? Why don't you act professional, okay?